is something that we, from the beginning, wired directly into the actual operating system itself. So I know those that are out there doing Air development, trying to deal with the dependency management of the right Air runtime installed on the right device, or pre-packaging these different sorts of things, it gets a little bit tricky and dicey between Android and iOS for making this stuff all work. With BlackBerry, it's right there. We've even had some different people bringing over Android applications, which are actually Air apps that they've been trying to bring across as an Android app. We're like, well, just don't even worry, just bring your entire Air application and it'll run as is, and a lot of people are surprised. So this environment really gives you, the ability to do everything that you've done for your applications cross-platform, and it also has that same capability that we talked about for WebWorks. So you're able to do native extensions, again. So we do the same thing with our Air runtime. We have standards-based Air APIs that are supported across all the different runtimes. We provide extensions down into our platform based on what we're being asked for. But then there's the ability for you as a developer to wrap any native capability in library and expose it back up into your Air node. So again, here is something where you're not disadvantaged from being native by going to the Air base and bringing your existing code base to the platform. The other great thing that we see from our Air community is really the community involvement and the ability of everybody to share and the willingness to share in this community. We see a tremendous amount of activity in our forums, and the number of post count and sharing actually exceeds what we've seen on our Java platform that we've been running for years. It's just really incredible to see the amount of sharing and collaboration that goes into this community, and it's definitely a great thing to be able to take advantage of as a developer, as a member of that community. And of course, without, kind of goes without saying, Adobe has a fantastic set of tooling that comes along for your Air development. There's also other options that are out there. If you're looking for a free option, there's some different vendors that are out there and some kind of tiered-based pricing for other different tool chains. But it really comes with a history and a long line of being able to provide great tooling with the entire Adobe suite and bringing this all around. As well as dealing with your scaling and scene graphs and having them vector-based to deal with your scaling stuff a little bit easier than in other different platforms as well. So a great option to be able to bring your existing code.